Okay, investors, so welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm talking about LKCO, so Lukonga Technology, which has some big news which recently just came out. So the news that we've all been waiting for. So the case between LKCO and the US Department of Defense has been dismissed. So on the motion filed, it says here, so the plaintiff and defendants hereby stipulate and agree that all claim and cause of action in this action shall be dismissed without prejudice and without any fees or cost to any party, respectfully, and jointly submitted this on the 11th day of 2021. So this means that LKCO Technology is finally free from this case and off the ban list. So no further action will be taken against LKCO by the US Department of Defense, which means that it will no longer be delisted, and also it will continue trading as usual. But yeah guys, before I get further into the video, if you like these short videos and straight to the point, then don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe down below to support the channel. And also my free Discord is linked down below, so join the free Discord for early buying opportunity and use my Webull link. When you deposit $100, you get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850. But yeah guys, so let's get into this video. So finally things are starting to look up for LKCO, with the case now being dismissed, which means that it will still continue to trade as usual without the fear of being delisted, and this puts investors at ease. And what this also means is that we're going to get an influx of new investors jumping into LKCO. So for those who were patient and held this with me so far, then congratulations, because now it's going to pay off. So I kind of suspected this at the end of last week when the stock shot up on Thursday and also Friday off no news. And what this tells me is that institutions got the news about this before we did, so they probably started buying, which caused the 10% increase on Friday. So yeah guys, so at the end of the video I'm gonna go over, is this stock still a buy when market opens today? So yeah guys, so I first introduced the stock LKCO back in Feb, and it has been a roller coaster ever since. So we've seen some crazy highs and also some very low lows. So this was a very risky investment from the very start, and even myself did take a loss at one point. So at one point I did have a huge 6,000 share of LKCO, which was my biggest ever holding, and I believe it was in March that I got rid of 4,000 share and I held 2,000 shares, and I'm still holding 2,000 shares. However, I don't regret this decision, because ever since selling that 4,000 share, this was me managing my risk, and I was able to make back whatever I lost from that sale of the 4,000 share. So yeah guys, so a lot of people did think that I was kind of contradicting myself in terms of being patient and then me going and selling a huge position. But the way it was basically I was managing my risk, because I held 6,000 share, which was my biggest ever holding, and with such a risky investment I wanted to manage that risk, so I held 2,000 share. So I always had faith that we can win this case, and I remained patient over the past 4 months of holding this stock. However, I did manage my risk. I got rid of 4,000 share. I was able to reinvest it into growth companies, and I was able to make back that loss. So yeah guys, so if I was to go back in time, I'd still do the same thing. But yeah guys, so for anyone that was patient and held throughout this period, then congratulations, because this stock we're going to see whole new highs in the next couple weeks and also long term. So yeah guys, and also now that the case has been dismissed and the LKCO is no longer going to be delisted, I will even consider rebuilding my position and building a bigger position, because now I believe that in the future we're going to get a lot of good news coming out from this company. But yeah guys, so let's get into the stock price. So right now, after hours, the stock is sitting at, it's up 20%, and I believe throughout the day this can even climb a lot higher. So we saw a similar thing with Senseonics. So ticker symbol is SENS. So after news of the 180-day device testing came back positive, the stock went up huge. I think it was like 20-30%, and it kind of consolidated. Then the next few days we did see a few red days, then again it it took off, reaching highs of $4, and is now sitting at $4. So over the past 10 days, this stock is up 100%, and I believe with LKCO we can see a similar thing. So I can see the stock short term in the next couple of weeks even reaching that $4 to $5 cost range, but this is just my opinion, so don't buy just because I said this. So yeah guys, so now let's talk about should you buy the stock when the stock market opens today. So right now the stock is sitting at $1.77, and after hours it's up 20%. And yes, this is huge. However, I did say that I still see this going a lot further when the market opens, and also throughout the week and over the next couple weeks. So LKCO has great fundamental, which I outlined before. All that was holding it back was simply this case and also the risk associated with the stock being delisted. This is what was holding this stock back. If not, the stock can already been at $5, and I still believe it can reach $5 short term, and longer term we can even see the stock in that double digits if you're prepared to hold this for years to come, because this is a solid company. But yeah guys, so in the future I believe we'll see more catalysts. So the stock, the earning is not yet out, and also any new partnership has not yet been announced, so all these catalysts can push the stock even further. So yeah guys, so short term I believe the stock will run up huge. So if you can get this in the low $2 cost range, then this is a good place to either start building your position or average up or even average down if you're down on your investment. So yeah guys, so if you held this over the past 4 months, then personally I advise to continue holding, because you will reap the reward, because this is still yet to go up huge. So this is why patience always pays off. So as Warren Buffett says, the stock market is a device for transferring wealth from the impatient to the patient, and this is why you stay patient. So we've seen it with Senseonics, now with LKCO, even GSAT. So it's always the long-term play. So this is a game of patience. You're not going to get rich in a matter of days or few weeks. You need to be able to hold a stock for a few months, and that's what we did, and now it's going to pay off. But yeah guys, as always, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't buy or sell a stock because I said to do so. So always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing money into any stock in the stock market. But yeah guys, as always, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe down below to support the channel. And also my free Discord is linked down below, so join the free Discord for early buying opportunity and use my Webull link. When you deposit $100, you get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850. But yeah guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.